Modimo a thaba sione le di sangoma, they serve the same God. When I wish okare I can reverse everything because of devil used me to lead people astray. Devil used me to initiate.
Ish.
But the question is one le ro ke ile ka tsena ke kwata. Ore how come idlosi le khona go overpower ke a human being. That voice has said to me, Yare, my child, it is me, your Lord, your God. I want you to stop what you are doing and go back to my children. Once wapheka ngithi amafuta omuntu
Yivanto.
plus certain animal.
Oh, umix.
Mix.
Welcome once again kwiKota 2 Media. Igama lami ngumduduzi ngwakashabangu. Sibingelele siphinde sibonge nepresence kaMoya Ongcwele ekhona phakathi kwethu. Ngiphinde ngibingelela abangcwele kwindawo zonke la kufinyelela khona le message yeKota 2 Media. Mhlawumbe uyaqala nje ukuhlangana nale channel ngizothi siyakwamkela ungasashintshi ungasayindawo. La ekhaya sikhuluma indaba ezimnandi, indaba ezithinta umuntu kanye noNkulunkulu. Anginibonge bazalwane kakhulu nje ngakho konke okuhle nikwenzayo ngokukhulisa i-channel ngokusubscribe nongaka subscribe ungabe uqhubeka nje usubscribe ube futhi ulike and siphinde sibonge nana nokuthi ama comments enu ahlala emahle ngendlela esimangaliso njalo nikhomenta kahle nesikhuthaza so nje siyabonga kakhulu. Ngiphinde futhi ngibonge nje ngesupport ni share lama messages nakwabanye abazalwane nesupport enilethayo ngemikhuleko abanye ba ama channel members. Siyanibonga kakhulu bazalwane ngakho konke lokho kuhle nabanye nje abade beqhamuke emaceleni siyabonga. Ngiphinde futhi nginibonge nisazobukela futhi nama advert njengoba nje iqala le video ayasiza nawo futhi kakhulu. Today angikho ngedwa ke njengoba nje nibona ubuyile futhi umfundisi wethu ubrother uMachaba Pakisi. Abangamazi ake bathi ukureverse nje bawabheka ama video lawa ya previous khona la khuluma khona kakhulu eveza ukuthi usuka kuphi from ZCC yonke nje lo part leyo sizoqhubeka ke today kubufakazi bakhe la ayegcine khona. Ukhona namhlanje ake sikwamukele mfundisi wami siyabonga nje ubukhona bakho.
Ubanga mina mfundisi wami.
Yebo. Hayi kulungile. Bengithi uzobingelela nje ababukeli uthi cha ngiyanibingelela ngiyabonga mhlawumbe kuphi
Yeah, no, ke rata ho dumedisa.
Yes.
Babogedi ka mokana bona ba Kota 2 Media.
Yes.
Yeah, na ba santse bo ke nna brother Pakisi Machaba. Yeah, I'm a child of God. I'm born again. Ke kolore mfundisi.
Yes.
Yeah, baba ngoba mpitsa mfundisi.
Yeah.
Baba ngoba mpitsa a prophet. But nna ke pitsa a child of God.
Oh yes.
Yeah. I think it's really get njore ke tlhalose why ke pitsa a child of God.
Oh, because last time awugcina uthe hayi ngizobuya ngiyisi please.
Yeah. I think when time goes kana go yona ina ya testimony you'll get
oh izovela lapho. Oh.
Yeah, why ngithi ufanyithanda ukipitsa
a child of God.
Yeah.
Okay.
Njalo.
Kulungile siyabonga. Yazi kuma comments previous khona abathi how uNotha ula usesindisiwe naye. Uyamazi uNotha? Awumazi ne? Nama ngimazi that much. But there is this guy ukakhulu ku music industry nje. Angazi ngachaza ngithini ngoba nama ngimazi much. But bathi mangabe besho kanjalo ngathi hawo yazi vele ucishe ufane naye kanti futhi ne voice yakhe ayifane neyakhe
Serious?
ne but ke ngizomaka ukuthi awumazi ngizokubonisa after sesiqedile ukuthi here's this the guy abanye abathi unotha I think ibathathela kwi voice nalokho kucishe kufani but ke cha akusuyena unotha abazalwane njengoba esho nje ubrother Machaba Pakisi umzalwane lo inceke yenkosi le yebo ize ke siqhubeka kuloba bufakazi mzalwane obathinta abantu abaningi angazi noma wakunothisa yini ukuthi kuwathinta abantu abaningi I think futhi abaningi bakuthintile bakufonelele abekho abakufonelele
bangifonelile and I just want to apologize futhi because of onala baba ngothole hore babatla thuso but due to certain commitment even number ya batho ke palala ke go ba accommodate kaofela because of enye futhi I'm running a ministry I'm a pastor though I call myself a child of God but there's a ministry loro ke rana so sometimes uthola hore I have to ke shebe bona ke shebe ka mona batho ba bangata be loro ba batla thuso you see and other things on to tsholo ke di etse for onkolonkolo you know I still have an assignment loro sentse ke complete before Jeswa abuya okay let me just say ona le dipuku je loro tshone ke di ngwale ke di fetche so cela ukuthi le ngcolele yeah but I want to help everyone want to help everyone by his grace so yona vela batho ba bangata ba ntshintshile ba bangata ba bangwe ba rile ba batla dipuka
yes
ile di fedile
ziphelile
so now konela hore ke sa I have to re ke di order hape ditle
all right hayi kulungile uzositshela mangabe sezikhona incwadi akunankinga yebo abanye bathini nje before singene nje kwi testimony yakho yazi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi abanye mhlawumbe angifuni ukuzwa wena nje bathi how this guy ungumpedi ebefunani kwi podcast ekhuluma ngesizulu why notice leyo so mina was like surprised ukuthi kanti asibona abantu befamily eyiwani yasembusweni why manje sekuvela ukuthi hawu umpedi lona
unorepedi Zulu
zonke lezo zinto
today ngolala Sepedi ngizonixolela ngikhuluma ngibolela Sepedi because I'm trying ore ngikhulume siZulu but
hayi
mina Zulu sami seba Zulu Pedi
but there's nothing wrong nalapho
okay
mina ngiprefer ukuthi umuntu abe comfortable
ne
khuluma that way izoba comfortable at the end of the day siyakuzwa
amen
kahle nje futhi nje yebo thina into esasibe nenkinga yayo ukuthi uri walika ubulela wabona uthola ukuthi mhlambe ubulela Sepedi and uthola ukuthi bakuhleke kuthiwe ayisipedi sawo liwena or isisuthu sawo liwena yabona bese uba discouraged kanti thina hayi nje noma ungayikhulumela isiZulu sivele understand ukuthi no akusiyena umZulu but siyamuzwa ukuthi uthini imnandi lapho nje yes but
I'm trying to accommodate
wonke umuntu yes hayi mina nje ngifuna ukuthi noma ngabe umuntu uqhamuka kuyiphi ination ukhuluma yipi language khona even ilana no sister Khumbelo there's nothing wrong ukuthi ukhuluma ilanguage ethile uza ku podcast le podcast akusiyona yamaZulu kuphela mhlambe nalokho kufanele ngicacise akusiyona yamaZulu kuphela akusiyona futhi yase KZN i podcast nje le yawo wonke umuntu wase South Africa sizama nje ukuthi sibafinyelele nje bonke abantu ungeza noma ngabe ukhuluma yipi language la ekhaya wamkelekile ungeza nana neAfrikaans sophinde sikuzwe neAfrikaans namabhuna ngeza wonke umuntu lungile ayithi singamoshi isikhathi ngiyathemba yakhumbula ukuthi sasigcine kuphi siqale but ke wena waziyo ukuthi i-testimony yakho le yaziwa wena futhi ozoyichanela ngendlela oyifuna ngakhona.
Yeah.
Over to
I
you.
think, thank you. I think last agegcina nekebolela ka this other woman yeloro ba ilatla abatla promotion esontweni. Yeah,
Yes.
sale re cena wona mo.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so ogare last next ke tlhalositse almost everything, the dark side ya bongoma, if I'm not mistaken, or na re shumisa di human body parts,
Yep.
the fetus tsa bantwana nani.
Yes.
Yeah, those kind of things. So another thing ngathi ke thomile ba kobela ke sa le go le phehlong. Ke initiateile batho ke sa le go le phehlong. Because of my spirit, it was so matured, everything neke understand I fast. Because
Yes.
of I ke yo twasa a ke tsore ke boletse last night, I ke yo twasa already ne ke tseba o etsa ditaola to read the bones, because of ne ke re ha ke robetse ke sa le go ZCC o etla my grandfather
Yes.
amfundisa amathambo how to read bones.
Yes.
So
yes.
ke rile ke ya kwana plus lo moya o go lo ro ke go shumisa go ZCC ke ne ke still ne go shumisa ka kwa,
Yes.
because of modimo a thaba sione le di sangoma, they serve the same God.
Yeah.
There's
yeah,
no
yeah.
a different. Kware lo gare o tswa ka ra busangoma wa re o fa o tswa ka sione o ya ka ra busangoma. O sale tseleni A1 awa unutshwana because you are still serving the same God.
One God.
Yeah, so a ke fitla ka bongomeni ne ke shumisa that spirit
Yes.
ya go ZCC ke be ke shumise le di bones, because of ke gopela motho a itla a tlo consult, I'll just throw the bones and tap in the realm of the spirit. That's why, yeah, I will tap in the realm of the spirit ka mo tsa ba jaye ke dia ke lebelela le ditaola ke mmoja, because motho a ka lo fita a bua le yena wa mo profeta.
Yes.
I no khotsofala o nyaka o ko rena marapo a reng. Yeah, so ke ne ke etsa sona. That is why last ke ne ke re there's a realm there's a realm of God and the realm of the spirit. Yeah, in the realm of spirit ke mo lo le nna as a prophet ko tsisi ke ne ke operate hona. In the realm of the spirit as a sangoma ne ke operate even in that realm, whereby everyone can operate freely.
Oh yes.
Yeah, but in the realm of God, only the angels of God, even God, even the true servants of God, they operate in that realm.
Hey, yazi leyo ngiyakhumbula ukuthi even in the last time abantu abaningi ba commente kakhulu kuyona.
Yeah.
Because ngathi abanye bafuna even more explanation kulama realms lawa ukuthi ikuphi le la khona everyone can just tap in this realm of the spirit. Angazi mhlambe wena like uchaza ngazi
Ake tsebo re ke tla ichaza kanjani, because of, as I said, or the realm of the spirit o kena anyone who's able to. But in a realm of God, even a true prophet aka se kgona go ke tsentsha. O tshwanetse a tsentshe ke morena.
Okay.
Yeah, a re shaba the book of Ezekiel. O ngwana longwe Ezekiel wa bolela hore God took me. God took me. A se yena re nyahambile. Morena wa monka muisa in that realm.
Oh, okay. I think that explains. Okay.
Yeah. Never will fita to a prophet of God ware kinyaka this. By his grace or the grace of God, aka o fetola ware ene e kae. Only if modimo wa gona o mmontša.
Yes.
But o ka se ilo fita ware a be kenyoko tseba ka. The true prophet aka tap into the realm, but not in the realm of God. you'll tap into the realm of the spirit. Okay, this and that is also the reason why we encountered this. It is because of this.
Okay.
But when I did mo khumana lori, when I did mo khumana lori, re nyaka an answer. And no prophet a gona go khumana answer.
Yes.
Because of modimo a mo kenya in that realm. A ka rapela bjana ka pa bjana a ka fasta. As long as modimo a se mo lekela a ka se bone anything.
Oh yes.
But tše dingwe wa fitha o nyaka eng, okay, we're tapping in that realm. Wa wana everything.
Oh yes.
Le nna a ke se bore re tsana bjana go ngwe le nna ke makala ke tsene.
Hey.
Yeah. Nga se okay, let me tap in that realm.
Yeah.
Aya
Bawenza nje kuvele kwenzeke.
Yeah, a se bore rekelo.
Yeah. I think kufanele ube initiated to these realms.
The realms. Yeah, especially the realm
this one of the
spirit.
spirit, yes.
Yeah, that one you have to be initiated.
So that kuzoba easy ukuthi uvele nje ungene.
Yeah.
All right.
But ba bangwe, even if they are not initiated, the spirit se gona ba tsentša ba bona. But bona ba gone go ke tsentša.
Oh.
Mara once wa ba initiated wa gona o tsena o kwe o tsena o go di up and down ka mogonyaka o ka gona.
All right.
So that's how I was operating.
Yes.
Ka kwa bongomeni. Ke mo le re dintho tša ka di ile tša shesha ta di swai nka rene ke be ke gona go ruta le batho ba bangwe ditaola because ke thomile go ruta batho ba bangwe ditaola within 3 months. Ke le ka kwa already ne ke ruta batho so within 3 months it's more like be ke gona o thwasisa. A ke boya gae e ba mpuisa gae within few months already ka ba le thwasana.
Yeah.
Motho le re tshwantse re ke mothwasisa ana ka mothwasisa successfully so.
Yo.
And no, I wish ora ka kwa nna mama because of ona le tše dingwe a tseba mfundisi
I mic nje
Oh, sorry.
ihlala kwene.
yeah ona ntho tše dingwe ne I wish o ka re I can reverse everything because of devil used me to lead people astray. Devil used me to initiate.
Ish.
And no ba tswa le re ba bala to re ba bantšha. I be simple.
Oh. Noma usubatshela ukuthi mina ngisekho la.
You look around
Night.
they don't understand it. They don't understand at all. They don't understand. Even my family nje. They're still goes at CC.
Yo.
I will last mama ka wa mphone le ngwana ka wa trend.
Yes.
Awana. Ba ngkhuza hore ke stop mo bolela di podcasting. More especially ka ZCC. Because of bona ke batho ba baholo go ZCC.
Okay.
So it's more like o ka re ke tlisa disgrace ko high.
Yo.
And then my prayer go ho bana batswadi ba ka ba kwile. Go ZCC.
Yebo.
Awana but bona e ba hore re alwa fela nje hore ngwana go ka se dire sona.
Ish. Shuthi namanje njengoba nje usaqhubeka nje uzoxabana nabo.
Yeah. But I have to respect God.
Oh yeah.
Because of I'm even trying to save them because of my prayer. God, Lord, touch my parents so that they can be able to see the truth.
Yes.
Sorry, mokaring ZCC or ke nanginola ngikhuluma iqiniso kuphela.
Yes. Ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah, so kile ka thwasisa ka ba kobela. The wedding totsa ka disheshile ka hona after ke fetsa ba ile bang busela ekhaya so that I can stand on my own.
Oh.
So ha ke le ko hae, there's something eloro ile ya etsahala because of after few months ba ile bang vala.
Uvalwa uba.
One of the women loro sebenza naye ebungomeni.
Oh, bakhona futhi ukuphinde umuntu umvale futhi.
Ziyabuya bawuvala bayenza noma yini.
Noma usuhambile usuyimele usuwedwa le.
Yeah,
Yo.
like
Okay.
usually mawubuya people will come and test you, witches will
Oh.
come and test you.
Yo.
So now at least ke maditse to overcome the witches. But lo mama lo yena o ile a cena mvala.
Yo.
The way a kwezoka hona ne, even le motho o rekisa, you see people a lot of ba thengisa bangena siyathengisa
Yes.
ina ba sesangena
Eh.
o kwetse everything. O sena le motho o re ke tlo bona, o sena le motho o re kopela ke ditse kantle ke a mona ona le ntato mongwe na rekisa di n o bona pakete tsa ke ne ke e bala ke a mona o kena ka mo motseng ona
Yes.
ke rai mangena
Uzothenga.
Yeah.
Yes.
ke mona dlula
How?
ninginini futhi ka wana omunye futhi andlula.
Yo. Beniqabene?
Mina no mama
Yes.
unomvala nje.
How?
That's how they do. Inofana nabafundisi baruti ba khona olwana ka bo bona ba khona o jealousana.
Oh.
Akere.
Yes.
Yeah, so le ka kwa bongomeni.
Same thing.
Yeah, because of adne re tswa re yo kita somewhere. You have to make sure you protect yourself. Maybe wakeza wezani just so that you be protected because of okopana le other sangomas. Now ba o shaya.
Yo. Ay.
You see? So nalena ba ile ba nkwala. So to a point whereby I have to go through ke ata ke batlana le disangoma. Tselo ro tonzo re dimvule so that I can be able to operate again. I've lost a lot of money. Ke batla hore ba mpule moya. Ba bo fulle amadlosi wami. Because of ongolongwe mloro ngihamba khona bathi no amadlozi akho.
Yes.
Ba bophile. But the question is one le ro ke ile ka tsena ke kwata. Ore how come idlosi le khona go overpower ke a human being? Because of kahle sazi ukuthi there's no one who can overpower idlosi. Mina by my understanding by that time
Beyisho kanjalo.
yeah or idlosi nyazi ukuthi remember bekena le water spirit inama mountain spirit. Three ancestors from my father, my mother, and one again, two from my mother's side. So we can almost 5.
Yo, protection yonke le. Wena be covered.
I was covered to a point whereby ngikhono usiya skia semoto emotweni ya riduma. Manje ya shop bangikhono fita ngiyehle.
Yeah.
Kolo iduma. Nyazi ukuthi if you enter by mistake you will die by correction.
Yo.
Ngamkhone neke tsepile ka hona.
Yeah.
Neke tseba gore you can't do anything. Because of ke wone power ya bona. Remember before ke twasa.
Yes.
They destroyed a lot of things. They destroyed my life.
Yes.
Until ke bona hore I have nowhere to run.
Yes.
Let me surrender. But now bangivalile. Ngiyakubuza ukuthi
Bebe kuphi to protect you.
yeah. Mina ngingcono to protect me bona because nawo baba bophile bathi baba bophile.
Yo, ayibona nje lento le.
It's like kanti kwenzakalani
Yeah.
ngathi ngiphethe idlozi lamanga.
Bavuma kanjani ukuboshwa bona?
Yeah. Still bakhuluma bathi bafuna something. Asifuni igazi, maybe tonsore ke hlabe imbuzi. Asifuni randavel. I remember banjela ukuthi bafuna randavel, it's okay. I don't mind with it.
Yes.
But ngizoyenza ngani? Ngiyanayo imali. Bafuni imbuzi. ke yona mbuzo or yeah okay I don't mind but ngoyithenga ngani because of you see what bambophile
Yeah.
nani balobophile
Yo.
I have to go outside go batla thuso to an extent whereby ke khathala because of there was a time whereby ke botsa hore no I can't feed something that was supposed to feed me once waba sangoma you get everything from amaduzu wakho that the one who has to feed you maybe babaletha ama customer nani
Yes.
they're the one who have to protect you but mina I was in a stage whereby I have to protect them I have to fight for them
Hey.
and still even though people who are still karabungoma
Yeah.
they're still fighting for their ancestors
Yeah.
they're still feeding their ancestors now I get to a point whereby I was like but azange ke dikhalele this thing I can't
Hey.
so a ke re ke le mona ke le wana ko this other night ngilele ngiyaphupha
Yeah.
liyavuka idlozi manje lifuna ukukhuluma so ngibona bangibonisa ukuthi uthi ngibe right mele ukuthi ngithole a human body part
Yo.
in that way ke bona ro batlo khona obofolo
Yo.
but nje uthi uzohlanganisa imithi wangezisa wenzani
Angeke.
I have so or ngithole a human body part
Yo. Yeah. Wenza njani after lapho?
after that ke mo ro I wanna di daily sun ka mo marao ona le batho Dr Mangmang what
Yes, mawufuna uba nemali sokupha amagondwana azokulethela
Yeah.
imali, all those things. Yeah.
yeah ka right I think ubana bazongisiza
Oh, yeah.
okay ka fonela omongwe sakhuluma athi uzongithumela sihlahla sesinye I have to or kisifide ka milimili
Ha.
ngithi lesihlahla ngiyasiyazi wasazi
Angisazi mina leso sihlahla leso.
wana let this plant I think ore siyenza noma yini lo wayifuna mayiqala into yakhona uthola ukuthi bawunikile sona ngithi oba la di customer maybe you are in businesses
Yeah.
bawutshela ukuthi I sena I hlophe every day unobeka milimili
Eduze kwaso noma kuso.
yeah duze kwazo mawungaphuma mawuboya awusawuthola milimili wona
Idliwe lehlahla. Siyakhula or isihlahla nje sihlezi nje si same height.
hey angazi because of azange kebele sona it just that ikobela yami ile yangona ngaso
Oh.
ukuthi kuni izinto zenje
Okay.
sometimes ekanosebe isihlahla bawunikeza maybe isilwane maybe it can be a tortoise
Oh.
it can be maybe a dove yeah maybe inyoka encane those kind of things so those things ga di thoma di batla the simple things
Oh yes.
but when time goes especially because of ngikhumbula kahle with that tree bengiyazi ukuthi since arile sidla emilimili I know rekopele so resifuna maybe inkunku from inkuku maybe imbuzi from imbuzi inkomo from inkomo ifuna umuntu
Ish.
that's how they operate
Yeah.
so that one ngathi I can't then ngathola omunye bampromisa emira which I ngizonikeza nemira
Oh, yeah.
okay ya mira kuyayibona ngiyavuma mangilele ngibona bangibonisa ukuthi no that one is a false doctor like into say adi claim or uzonginikeza zona
Oh.
it can operate
Okay.
watla omongwe liyena bampromisitse yeah or uzongisiza next seke rumese chalete but not much so kupela ngibengihleli in my spirit ka kwa gore I just know that person o shumisa a human body part. I remember responding to that voice ngithi no anginandaba as long as isenelo ro ngizobulala abantu.
Okay. Yeah.
What I want, I just need help ukuthi amadlozi ami asebenze nami ngisebenze.
Yes.
Ngiyakho ntwena it is against, but mina ngiyachubeka because ngiyazi ukuthi amadlozi wami bafuna ukuthi kebele a human body part of a sacrifice.
Yes.
But khona ba activated again. So ngathi ay ngiyachubeka ngayo. Area resa organizer. I think it was November.
Yes.
Ngilele. Mangilele ngizwe voice in my room. Voice ithi you are a child of God and you are supposed to be doing the work of God.
Wow.
Ke moloro ke bitsa a child of God.
Oh, iqhamuka laphi igama?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why ke rata hore I'm a child of God? I know we are all children of God.
Yes.
But when we read the book of John 1:11-12, ewelela hore those who welcome him and accepted him, he gave them power and privilege to become a children.
Yes.
So now I don't know how come I became a children without receiving Christ.
Because that voice said before you even received Christ.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am a child of God. And I was supposed to be doing the work of God.
Yeah, goes.
And immediately I woke up. When I woke up, there was no one in the room.
Buwensh.
Yeah. So I remember the following day, I called my Kobela. I heard your voice last night. I'm a child of God. And I was supposed to be doing the work of God. Kanti senzani lana?
Yeah. Good question.
Yeah. Because of mina, by that time, I thought already sangoma. Didira umsebenzi wonkulunkulu and umsebenzi wamadlozi.
Yebo.
Since we are helping everyone, even Christian, as I said, they were coming, even pastors. So it was like, ngiyenza umsebenzi wonkulunkulu namadlozi wami same time. No ba hona batlore ba bula isonto ba bayize into zamadlozi.
Yes.
Ne. So mina ngiyamhoza ke kanti senzani lana?
Yeah.
So really amfetola are maybe one of your ancestors they were Christians. So they want you to do them both.
Oh.
So I was like,
Ukwenza umix manje. Yeah.
Yeah, but I was a Christian before. Remember by that time, to me ZCC it was a Christian church. Bengithatha as isonto.
Yebo.
Ngiyamtshela
Kristu.
Yeah, ngithi no phela kibekele mu Christ. They removed me from church or they took me out of church.
Yes.
Bang initiator. No ibile I'm initiating other people. So they're telling me about Christ. Why? Why little silena? Let's bigela kin ngitoka to bigela to protect me or
Yes.
get like this side. I don't know. Maybe okay, she said no, you are right. Mina angazi ukuthi ngizothini. Zama uphahla ukhulume namadlozi wakho uba kuze ukuthi kwenzakalani. So I did that.
Yes.
Almost a week without getting any response. So there was this other day, I think it was around this time. Yeah, around past 11 to 12 daylight. So kinekele ko high. So I just got a hunch to pray.
Okay.
So ngitha eating good thandaza. Mangithi ngiyakuda before my knees could touch down. That voice came back. Daylight. I saw a vision, I saw a dream. Daylight. Audible song.
Yes.
That room, that voice said to me, "Yare, my child, it is me, your Lord, your God. I want you to stop what you are doing and go back to my children.
Yeah.
Go back and tell them the truth.
Hey.
Go back and tell them that I am God and I am alive.
Wow.
And there is nothing impossible with me.
Yes.
Go back and tell them that I'm coming very soon.
Ngiyakuzwa.
So when I
Yes.
hear this voice, I was like, yo, ngocala phi mina. Akere ke sa magazine, that voice said to me, oh, write a book about ancestral worship. The one that I came with last.
Yes.
So mina mangizwa this voice in my heart ngiyakhuluma ukuthi no, but I know nothing about ancestral worship. The only thing that I know inoba mithi.
Yes.
Or muthi wona usebenza kanje, muthi wona usebenza kanje. Does God want me to write about that?
Yeah.
Already sengiyazi, I've never met God. But mangizwe voice, I knew in my spirit already this is God.
Yes.
So akere ke sa bolela in my heart, that voice was listening to me. Angikhulumi ngomlomo.
Yes.
Enhliziyo ngiyacabanga and ngibheke phansi nje because of the way bengakhona, I was feel like kare umuntu wakhona umbhekile because of voice it was so audible. So bengafuni uphakama ngibone ukuthi ubani ini.
Yes.
Nginobheka phansi nje ngiyakhuluma ngiso, does God want me to write about this? So that voice iyamphendula. Though bengikhulumela inhlizweni,
Yes.
yathi no, you don't have to write about those things.
Oh.
I'll show you what to write, and I'll even tell you what to write.
Yep.
Yahamba.
Wow.
So ngahlala esofeni, hayi ngenza kanjani, ngocalaphi. And before that ke ke pere dintho mona.
Ubuhlalo. Ubuhlalo bezangoma.
Ke di bang di
Ama beats.
yeah, ama beat. Tse dingwe di le ilabana those things left and right.
Yes.
One ya tsona ile ilabana ele le se e dile sona. Ile ya hlomowa nje.
Yasiphumela.
Yeah. But mauthi why share the way it will ka hona, there was no wrong ekajwa. It was a mystery what's na. Iphumeka kanjani because of ayangwathaya. Inophuma yasalele ka mkhong.
Wow.
Like when a lady strange things tell ro dia dirahala before that, but nabe ke sa di understand.
Yes.
So now after voice ekhuluma, next ase what go thoma kae. Ngahlala ngithi ngocalaphi.
Yo.
Okay, get okay. After a few days, get right. Ere thandaze ngikhulume with that voice.
Yes.
Ngiyathandaza. Njalo uNkulunkulu uthi Lord, awuthi ngiyawudelela. But mina I can't go there. Why? Because of by that time ngike saba amadlozi.
Oh.
Ngiyazi ukuthi they will do something.
Oh, something bad kuwena.
Yeah. Ngiyamtshela ngithi uNkulunkulu, choose someone else. Nah, I can't. Ebile ke botsa morena ke re, is this a way of punishing me? Because of I was thought gore ke tla re ha ke tswa ke tla re ke sa bolela le batho ilosi le etsetsa yona ke we ke etse something.
Yeah.
Ke re Lord o ka re nyoko humiliate. I can't go there.
Yes.
Because of I know for sure or madlozi azongishaya.
Vele kuyakusho kanjalo futhi. Mabe kusabisa futhi ke.
Yeah. Mara na formula azange ngithole respond. Vele ke rabele na vele ke ta ira jwang. The following day I prayed. Ke rile ke sa rapela, that voice came back.
Yeah.
The voice said to me, Hore, there's nothing that will happen to you. I'm with you and I'll never forsake you.
Wow.
Kaphendula ngithi no, but still khatha someone. the voice ya re no ke khethile wena ka bana ke ratile wena. So ake kwa that voice I cried ula wana umntwana akhala.
Yep.
That is why ngikhala ngikhalisa when I hear God said I love you.
Ish. Yebo.
You know, there was a point whereby I even wanted to commit a suicide because of impilo ebelinzima. Nothing in my life ebehamba kahle. Love life, financial, like yonke into ebebheda.
Better.
I remember there was this other day when ngithi ngiphuza amaphilisi. I googled ke bona rena what is the best way of dying without feeling the pain,
Hayibo.
because of I'm enough with this pain
Ish.
at this world.
Mm.
Ka google ka bona ngwa ba re diphilisi, sleeping tablets.
Yo.
Awan. So now there was this other day ke be ke di tshwere sleeping tablets. Ngithi ngiyaziphuza.
Before hearing uNkulunkulu.
Before hearing uNkulunkulu, before
Yes.
ngaba esangoma, way back.
Okay, yes.
Ntwe lore ke entse ka yone lore implies I prayed before I can commit suicide.
Oh, okay.
Remember by that time ke sale ya bekele go ZCC. But I'm not saying gore ngisindisile ke uNkulunkulu go ZCC because of my prayer that day ebe elnore Lord. I'm coming to you. And anyasindiswa, I'm not born again. But ngiyathandaza ke re morena amogela umoya wami.
Oh.
Because of I'm coming to you. Please kopa wamoela umoya waka. Kare amen. Ngathatha amaphilisi ngathatha check. Kirile mangithi angazi la wana aw deliver motho.
Yes.
Vibrate. Vibrate. Abantu tsela diyawa everything ya wela phansi. Then after that suicidal thought since that day
Yahamba. Yeah.
But yaro soga gimi ya to my brother. Within 6 months my brother committed suicide.
Yo.
But anyway, ayinanda. So mangizwa uNkulunkulu athi wangithanda. Ngithi kanjani? You can't say you love me after everything that I've been through. You can't say you love me after you have allowed those things.
Ish.
How dare you, Nkulunkulu? So I get to a point whereby people misunderstood the love of God. They think what Nkulunkulu is sugar daddy of our earthly father, whereby he has to prove his love by giving us what we want.
Yeah.
Nkulunkulu is God and he loves us, and akano udima umsebenzi. Akano sofe anything you want, and he can even allow things to happen to you. Not because of he hates you, but because of he loves you.
Oh yeah.
So by that time in Nakwegewana, maybe the cousins are for other people they are successful, they are married, yonke into ehamba kahle ngithi uNkulunkulu nama favorite wakhe. Now I'm not his favorite because of into zami ziyabheda. But now uNkulunkulu untshela ukuthi wangithanda.
Yeah.
But makhuluma, I believed him.
Yes.
Because I felt something in my heart. You know, hey, I love you, baby, I love you. Naye uzwe mnandi, but umnandi waNkulunkulu mathi ngiyawuthanda yo.
Obuye.
Yo. It is everything. Like it's more like mathi ngiyawuthanda. Angazi ukuthi even that spirit of love ngathi ukhuluma awubahamba ufa awenza something.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So I was shocked. How can God said wangithanda? Ngakhala. Then since that day, that's okay, Nkulunkulu. I'll do it.
Oh. Yeah. Wavuma manje.
Yeah, ngithi uthe wangithanda.
Yes.
But ngisana le question. Uthi ngizoya kanjani ngotshela abantwana bakhe iqiniso because of namadlozi.
Yes.
I gone back ngathandaza, Lord, I change of plans. I can't go back there because of amadlozi. Ngiyafuna uya but because of a situation I can't.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu wathola. After a week ke rile ke robetse watla this other man, I don't know him, and he prayed for me.
Ufike ekhaya.
Yeah, in the dream, in the vision.
Oh, okay.
He prayed for me. Mangithandazela ngibona uphuma imermaid game. Yaphuma. Nami ngiyarola. Ore mahamba abeloro nyavuka. Mangivuka, that atmosphere that was in the dream. Esale hona even that shake ya hona.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngiyazibuza kithi, and then what happened? Okay. The following day ngiyathandaza.
Yes.
The voice come back again. I removed those spirit.
Yo.
Go back.
Kwakwenzeka ngempela.
Yeah. I had to go back to my children and tell them the truth. Yeah, whether they believe you or they don't believe you, tell them. But until the voice emphasized, it was the coming of Christ.
Oh.
Or they believe or they don't believe, they accept or they don't accept, whether they are ready or they are not ready. Uyabuya uJesu.
Oh yeah.
Mina angazi date. No, on a serious note.
Yeah.
I don't know the date, but
yes.
I know the time frame. After that,
What do you mean time frame?
ngiyazi ukuthi between this year to this uJesu ngeke. Like okay, kila kabale a vision ibekena le this white man. Angela ukuthi Jesu uzobuya. This vision ibilona in 2021. At uJesu uzobuya from 2024, between 2024 and this year.
And 2025. Oh, okay.
Uleze ibile many years between.
Okay.
Just that
between
now
24 and those, okay.
Yeah, I can't say it because of abampolela basare ke bolela batho.
Oh.
Yeah. Ona le ntho tse dingwe uNkulunkulu khona bontsha something. Not for everyone.
Okay.
But for you as a prophet, because of the Bible said what there's nothing God can do without Rabuja his servant. And nakongwa hawoja his servant are hambo bajela. Mina mangitshela ukuthi hamba obajela ukuthi ngiyabuya. Mina give umpha time frame wore ke tsebe hore from 2024 to this uzobuya in this time frame.
Yo, manje uthi ngeke usitshele yazi uza nendaba mawuqeda ukuthi ngeke nginitshele le ndaba engiza nayo.
Yeah, because of Ari kelejele. Nantwarile ke lobolela yona. Uthi wenza, prepare yourself.
So fika kodwa ke ku 2050.
2050. Hey, I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. I don't think so. But to be honest, isikhathi sakhona we don't have time left. To be honest,
yes.
We don't have time.
Okay.
Even namanje rapture can happen.
Yes.
Even tomorrow it can, like any time. We just have to prepare ourselves.
Ngiyakuzwa.
You see.
Yeah.
So now, after voice in Jala, it's okay. I've removed those spirit. Go. Because of I think begin the many spirit. Ela ainsitseng even over I think what it was care boss as one. Because of even after that I have to go through deliverance.
Esontweni ke manje.
Yeah.
Okay.
And a deliverance yaka inkile almost 6 months.
Yo.
Okay. I have a one night thing for once off thing.
Uthola I deliverance after ke manje sewamkela uJesu. Wamkela uJesu and then waya ku deliverance. What happened? That process.
Remember when that voice itla irile itla next sabat lo Greeking bengitshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi I'm not going to church.
Okay.
Reason why can I trust issues like man of God le the pastor.
Oh.
Why? Because of abanye bengisebenza nawo. Ulawana you are a sangoma. Wow, whatever those Christians abayenza this.
Oh, yes.
Wena uyaphuma uyakubo uthi ufuna help. You can't.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa.
So negering all of the pastors, I can't go to them. God himself has to deliver me.
Oh.
But ezinye izinto thola ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi uye esontweni. Kumoloro you'll be able to grow and be matured. Because of on my own I don't think we're a kind of person that I am if in kisazamaya through a church.
Yes.
Even how to deliver people because of mind we are in a deliverance ministry. I think somewhere somehow I had to learn how to do deliverance.
Okay.
You see, yeah.
So
since we began already trust issues or ngizoyapi ngagcina. Okay, it was 2020, itaba za di corona, the lockdown, amasonto ayavalwa. So I had to get up on my own endlini.
Yes.
I don't know whether people will believe this, but some of the spirit I casted them by myself.
Ebezikuwena.
Yeah. Bengisithandazela. It's just that ezinye I don't know wenzakala because of more thandaza. Wakore that spirit ifuna manifesta. And then you wine. Angisazi ukuthi after that wenzeni. I'll just see myself ngivuka nje. Ngivuke mangiceda ngizoresta. Ngithandaze. And I'll call them by their name. Didir. I know that some people don't know. It is impossible. But with me, I get what it was grace of God. But those demons I have to go.
Yes.
So now, lockdown iyaphela, not very iyaphela 100%, but bayavuma ukuthi okay, amasonto angavula. So I had to go to church.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi ngizoyapi because of there was a time whereby I feel in my spirit what no I have to go to church.
Yes.
I have to go to church. But now question ukuthi ngizoyapi. So kopla there was this other day kebekele coach abafana ba disc ke ba coach. There was this other day nabayodlala disc somewhere. Rehamba ka taxi. So on the way Salaisha omunye umfana ayayehla to this other church. Mayehla ke bona ke those big churches. Isithombe zamfundise outside unemfazi wakhe okay kuyabona abanyizi. And abayiperini. Okay. Holy Spirit, I think that Holy Spirit by that time said to me, I have to come to this church. Karai. Azange ngikholwe because of by that time mangphuma beke strugglisha we differentiate the voice of God and the voice of those spirit. Because of adihlogani it's just a thin line. The way God communicate with us.
Yeah.
Let the way that God that side to communicate get the same way. You can discern. Remember now by that time kele ngaka ufakele cause I was able to discern. I was able the way bathi bazwa a voice nami bengizwa.
Yeah.
That inner knowing nami
beyenzeka kuwena. Yes.
The only different kamwena uNkulunkulu makhuluma ngere nakongwe akhuluma khona ugare something ya drop othome obolela. This side ya Christianity I've noticed or ayenzakale. You can lo border. Yeah. I remember there was a time whereby kebekere I get told the message ke bote and I rebuked that spirit no. and I can't even pass that message if ke potlile qala.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Cause
So-
kwenzakala kakhulu ngale bungomeni.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I can't practice those things kamona until by his grace ke thola a total deliverance e lo re etsa etse that 6 month kaofela.
Usuhamba ke leli sonto ke.
Yeah,
Okay.
and lona hore ke ye ulona I prayed. You know, sometimes re senza lo nkulunkulu izinto zibe difficult. That pastor is married. Fakerin.
Yes.
Mina I prayed, or Lord, if indeed you want me to go to that church, the day ngiya ke batla ho thola that pastor a tsutse rene.
Oh. Okay. Why?
Just to be sure, or vele unkulunkulu.
Oh.
Akere as I said,
Oh,
or
ufuna sign.
yeah,
Okay.
akere na go ngokumana ore o ya tswa ka re bongoma o ya to other church, and that church le yona ezofaka eminye imiboya.
Oh.
Which is something a lot I just want to address people or o ka no kwa ka re bongoma but wa ya esontweni la Satan. Uno tshwana le no sajwa
Yeah.
uphumile but the church loro o ka ra yona.
Still isafanishina
Yeah.
nalo moya wasuke we darkness.
Yeah, but ba ipitsa re ke di born again or what. So I can say the kingdom of darkness it's finally a big house whereby ena le di room tse ngata. Ona le room ya bongoma, ona le room ya maybe barkeni occultic, ena le room ya eni, but ke for example ka a normal house.
Yes.
Whereby o ditse ko roomuni ya bongoma. O ya phuma ko roomuni ya bongoma. Instead of ophume outside ungena to other room, you are still inside the house.
Yeah. Ngiyakuthola.
So many, even some of the celebrities baphumile ebungomeni but abaphuma in the kingdom of darkness.
Yo.
Baphumile ka room ya bongoma
Bangena.
bangena to other house, I mean into the other room.
Yes. Kanti this room it decorated as if it's a Christian room,
Yeah,
but it's not.
yeah.
Okay.
It's more like gore o tswa ka roomuni o dula ka dining room.
Yeah.
Uthi hey shabana ka kwa roomung, yeah. Mo fitla ka dining room wa relax, khona lwetsa dijo on your own, but all ka roomung
It's the same house.
you are limited.
Yeah.
Abana, so many belo re ba phumile aba so phume.
Bekumele uzophume ngegate.
Exactly.
Okay.
Phuma with the door.
Yes.
After that you also uphume ngegate.
Yes.
Oka phuma anoba garaja rata lona also
Tila uphumanga.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Yo. Ideep le ndaba. That's why kufanele ngempela mawumfuna uNkulunkulu umfune.
Yeah. So mina bengisaba lokho.
Oh yeah.
Or I didn't or give it that wisdom. It was because of Sangoma, you know, other pastors say.
Yes. Ba practiceani.
Yeah. So indeed by his grace mangifika esontweni that pastor rini yakhe bengekho. Uthomino yapara ka after 3 to 4 months.
Oh.
Angazi ukuthi ile yawa or something happened to that rini.
Yeah.
But urile ayiwisela ayibekera ayina inkinga as long as into yaka ebeke batla
Yenza yebo. Yeah.
yeah. That's where kila ka thola deliverance yami khona. Yeah, after ke ba delivered le loro ethathi isikhathi 6 months. Yeah.
Nakhona wafike explainela upastor ukuze azokwazi ukukusiza ngedeliverance.
Yeah, but ke rile a ke fihla ke no sonta ke sonta ayara pressure. I started to feel fire. La bona o se sontweni we acha ke ba irritated. Ngifuna uphuma. But something gave me it's no Linda, because of you have so receive Christ.
Oh, yes.
I know in my spirit or I need to receive Christ. Mangithi ngiyasukuma, that voice ethi ngilinde ngithi ke ba irritated ngathi ulawana mothi washumayela okare okaphuma.
Yeah.
Mangithi ngiyasukuma, okare I was glued to that chair. Yabana abekere. Angwazi usukuma.
Yeah.
Until isondo liphuma.
Yo.
At least arebelo bafuna amukela kuJesu. They must come forward.
Yeah.
Mangithoma musondela, I started to feel fire. Ulabana usondela umuntu.
Yes.
Ngiyakho nema that fire bekifila kama kerekeni iphuma lana. Hayi, uthi ngimsondele ngiyasaba, ngiyahema ulabana athi sondela.
Yes.
Uthi sondela. Ngithi but kaba kona ke beke sa jambiso re ke ha ulabana bathi umfundisi wemelana uthi emalana awuthi ngisondele kuwe hayi emalana ngisebana monke beni wona nyacha what about mangisondela
Yebo.
okay kanosondela kasondela anthandazela so kelo road the demon started to manifest.
Oh.
A manifesta wanyekela ngiphansi. He addressed the church afa message avala isonto. Kasala liena lady intercessor lady ashara. Then they started to pray for me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then I think on first day unophuma some of the spirit. Because of there was lot of spirit general edichwile. The spirit is a FCC is to enjoy research. Spirit is a bushi research.
Yo.
All those kind of spirit. Because of one thing that I've realized, once you ungena to this other church, for certain churches, overpossessed, ka spirit is amu.
Konje kubushiri khona wa attenda nakhona.
Ayo. Yeah, kila ka attenda.
Mawuphuma ebungomeni wa attenda kwa bushiri noma what happened?
Ma ngise ZCC. Yeah. Kile kaya ka attenda obushiri.
Oh.
But because of Kwana is a big church, you can't say worry this is your church.
Oh.
Begin where every is it Monday like the Friday or the Fridays.
Okay.
Yeah, the Sundays. Yeah, kinoya ke attend. But sometimes ke buela FCC.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Kwana ne kinoya ke batla thuso kusefuna ke bona the way I manipulate of I went to go to Sabato ka hona. So I thought okay, if nami ngaya I think gore le memoya ya madlozi izophuma.
Oh, okay.
Because it was by that time ngiyobalega ngafuna uthwasa.
Oh.
So I just wanted to get someone iloro uzongisiza ukuthi ngathwasa.
Oh, okay.
So kaba deceived just like anyone. Kaya wena ka attend.
So usho ukuthi nje lezi zinto lezi zokuattend amasonto athile awu attend kuphela uthola nama spirits akhona uyithola uzohamba nawo.
Exactly. Especially if the pastor or the prophet obviously. Some obviously already that's an initiation.
Oh.
Immediately Kenya I think we're over possessed. That's why sometimes I will allow negative as a certain church. What's bakhona
bayalwa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because of it. It's more like ulawana moto ala possessed ka something.
Oh, yes.
Once you touch that thing, if we a deliverance and you call certain name, the demon can manifest. So now once you are a ZCC, ama demon nabo ayavuka.
Oh, yeah.
Spirit sakhona siyavuka. Abana so nakile mo nake fellowship hona. The anointing oil, the holy water, the sticker, what was it? Kama kana zona in Spanish. So I know those kind of things.
Oh, yeah.
And some of the oil chelo rerishumisa kwa Krekenya high. Legwa bungomeni rerishumisa.
Oh. Same oil.
same oil di no hlokana ka sticker
yo
and then ke tseba gore di oil tsena di tswa kae ba di dira jwang eni
bawazi ukuthi siqhamuka endaweni embi or just nje i-oil eqhamuka from trees.
According to my understanding and my revelation, some of the oils they puma from the marine. Some of the oils ekinobulela ka bongoma. Ne re tseba hore this one azange ke di etse but banrutile tsona. Once wa pheka ngithi amafuta omuntu.
Yibantu.
Plus certain animal.
Oh, mix.
You'll be able to do anything. And that oil wa khona we aroma.
Hayibo.
Ngano le itsatsa ka yona ya sifela hore batho ba nrata. Ngano le itsatsa ka yona or chalete it. Like I'll just say whatever I want. That is why le never ba fa di anointing oil ba re uno bolela ntho e batlang.
Oh, khulumenya ke manje into. Mabethi anointing oil nje nabo abantu bayigijimela bafike bayigcobe bakhuluma whatever bayikhulumayo kanti yilama oil lawo.
Ke mix.
Yeah.
Some diphuma from the marine. Some ke ntho tse loro
cabanga umix inyama yesilwane none yomuntu kuphuma amafutha.
Yeah, and esilwana sela asi easy to otholakala. And le mafutha khona uthola ukuthi maybe I can know 500 millimeter. Ungayithola ka uma 18,000. It's so expensive and it's so powerful.
Yini kama leso silwane?
Hayibo. Speaking of that, monyo baba ulamfonela athi mina ngifundisa abantu. On a serious note.
Ku sounder ngiyayizwa ile show. Ku sounder as if you are training people. Ukwenza lezi zinto. But we are exposing.
Allow me not to.
Okay. You know, okay, cause abanye vele they will take it the wrong way. Bahambe bawusifuna lesilwane bayenze lento. Okay, ngiyaka understand.
Because of ogayeza, even if you are not a witch doctor for sangoma, ogayeza and uyathola the result. Because of only marking the chemist abana somewhere more ufika uthola ore chemist za di sangoma uthenga imithi le. Those oiling diyathola hala. Tse dingwe inobaza fake but somewhere diyathola hala. Even let these people are puma outside the country. When badi tshwara those oils.
Manje ngoba mayincane i18,000 plus minus lapho. Then wena bosuthengisela abantu abaningi. Shuthi uyayi uthatha kancane la khona kuzophuma profit.
No, abana it drop.
Only
drop ukayitshela kara. You can buy bargeni oil by berekisa amasonto.
Cooking
not cooking oil.
Olive oil.
Uthela only drop.
Okay.
Only drop fella. Like kara 5 liter uthela drop. Fed it. It can last you many years. Because of kara 5 liter uthela drop. Kara 5 liter la also how many liters? Of 500 milliliter.
Shuthi that drop is powerful lokho ukuthi overpower wonke lo 5 liter wamafutha lawe olive oil if ufake ku 5 liter.
I think ke moya.
Spirit. Okay.
The reason why ngizangifuna ukukhuluma the name of that animal it is because of remember when that voice came to me said, "I will show you and I'll tell you what's alright." There was a time whereby God even showed me how to do the incantation or na di sangoma zakdala nedietsa jwang. That is why the sangoma zakdala were really more powerful than the sangoma zanu. The sangoma zakdala were disakhonze amadlozi. They were worshipping idol. In fact, African spirituality mayigala ebese sakhonze amadlozi.
Eh.
but it was idol worship.
Oh.
Bokhokho bethu inebazi ukuthi bakhonzani. But somewhere somehow wile wabali breaking ya uthola information in. People end up worshiping their ancestors. But it's because of Satan we are manipulator.
Yes.
Yaba feleje. I think what maybe ke Satan abadilo ka because of generation yakudala liya no. If ungwana omncane omtshela ukuthi mela ukuthi nayi inyoka, mela ukuthi we worship, I don't think worry inabadloyeza.
Oh yeah.
But bakudala inabayeza and inabale strong.
Yeah.
And inabasadlalile like batshwela bakudala can testify about this or dingaka tsa khale di na le seriti. Jareteng ya hae no sa tsene
Yes.
mang le mang. And now ile na sa ofimithi emingata khoma na we uphuma isangomeni ophethe mithi awunofana thwenyane fela re tsamwetsa so. And indeed you will see the result.
Yeah.
Because of those sangomas be communicator let that snake of that idol directly. It was not via utenzoro phahle othini. And they were able to call that idol a manifeste iphume age ekhulume nawo ebatshela ukuthi Mr. Mduduzi mawufuna this ngilethele this and that.
Yeah.
And I remember Ambonsa, he even gave me the name of that thing.
That idol.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ipuma, it was more like Agniti is a snake.
Eh.
Snake is sona wakhona obisa, it's more like I want to just what the magic chisla what wakati was the incarnation. Chisla what I don't want to call those things. For example, yeah. Once obisa that name, that thing appear. That's how they were operating. Some in abasadi reka mokwe but in abana le dilwana ka mo hae certain animal.
Yeah.
Yellow about say okay maybe inyoka or in. That is why you know the most powerful doctors, witch doctors, they have got snakes.
Oh yes. Yilaba bambe bawothwasa babuya nenyoka emanzini into esifana nalezo.
Yeah. Some abana zona this snake but only certain animal ekhaya.
Oh.
A representer. It's more like othola gore unembuzi but it represents the spirit of that. When maybe a tortoise, some they use a tortoise. Some they use a dove.
Oh.
But the real spirit is a snake.
Hey. Yeah, manje singa understand why kweminye imizi kuthiwa why wena wakwabona kuphi umuntu efuya toys. Ubagade laba abantu labani yali ya toys. Yeah, isuke vele kuna something.
Yeah, eloro izobamba lo moya lo. Uthi that toys yakhona ukukhuluma nawo.
Yeah.
Ungaboni maybe ungena uthola
ngathi zibhayizela nje la.
Yeah.
Hey.
Iyakhuluma ukuthi hayi kona 1 2 ngifuna this and that.
Yo. Yakusa.
You see. So but by his grace by lebang deliver.
Yeah.
Those spirit and it was not easy. It was not easy. I don't want to lie. There was a time whereby I was even thinking of okay. Maybe ngabuyela emuva. But mangicabanga hayi. Let me just push forward. Because there was a time whereby uthola deliverance today. The same night you got attack.
Ish.
Okay, prior to that. Akufeza ujwakara bungoma before ngaya esontweni.
Yes.
No lawe bale di attack.
Ama attack kanjani?
Oh we. Yeah.